Have you ever pondered over which companies are truly illuminating India's path towards a more sustainable future? Today, we dive into the world of solar energy and explore the top 5 solar companies that are harnessing the power of the sun in India. At number 5, we have Adani Solar. This part of the Adani Group, a leader in India's energy sector, is making significant strides in the solar industry. Adani Solar, with its state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, produces high-efficiency solar cells and modules. They're not just manufacturing, they're also innovating, continuously pushing the envelope to increase efficiency and make solar energy more accessible for everyone. Moving on to number 4, we find Tata Power Solar Systems. This company is a household name in India, and their solar division is no exception. Tata Power Solar Systems has been at the forefront of solar innovations for over 3 decades. They're involved in everything from manufacturing to project development, and they have a track record of executing large-scale solar projects. They don't just talk the talk, they walk the walk. At number 3, we have Vicam Solar. A global leader in the solar sector, Vicam Solar is a comprehensive service provider. They not only manufacture solar modules, but also offer EPC services, demonstrating their versatility. Their commitment towards quality and sustainability is commendable. They've made significant contributions in establishing solar plants all over India, aiding in the achievement of the country's renewable energy aspirations. They're committed to quality and sustainability, and they've set up solar plants across India, contributing to the country's renewable energy goals. Now, at the runner-up spot, number 2, we have Warri Energies. They're one of India's largest solar module manufacturers and have been in the industry for over 3 decades. Warri Energies is known for its high-quality solar products and its commitment to innovation. They're all about making solar energy accessible and affordable for everyone. Finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have Azure Power. Azure Power is a leading independent solar power producer in India. They've made a significant impact in the solar industry by providing affordable solar power solutions across the length and breadth of India. Azure Power is not just a company, they're a movement. A drive towards a cleaner and brighter future. So there you have it. These 5 companies are harnessing the sun's power, illuminating homes, and contributing to a greener India. From manufacturing to project execution, they're defining the future of solar energy in India. These companies aren't just creating a sustainable future, they're creating a brighter tomorrow for everyone.